Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Fix it. Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the request problem on Instagram app in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do is open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds exactly and disable it, and then go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to open the Instagram app, click on force stop, and then go to the notifications. Make sure everything here is enabled. Go back again, open the permissions. Also right here everything should be enabled like this. Go back and then open the storage or the internal storage. This is the most important step. Click on clear data and click delete, and then you have to open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.